So when we took over Eat City last year, Eat City were another big player in the market, and they were quite like Deliveroo. They had what they called the more upmarket restaurants. So again, we looked at Eat City. There's lots of other players in the market as well. So there was Feedme.ie down the sofa. There were others there, but we looked at Eat City and we said, okay, they are a good match for the Just Eat business. Yes, the commission is higher, but if you look at what Eat City were doing before we bought them or acquired them, they were doing nothing. They were literally just a sticker on a window sending orders to restaurants. If you look at what Just Eat are doing, we spend millions every year on marketing. We've launched our lunchtime campaign this week, so if anyone is looking around, you'll probably just see us everywhere now. So we're on the radio, we're on TV, we're on outdoor, socially, like our social advertising and our kind of social engagement with our consumers is massive at the moment. So yes, our commission is higher, but we reinvest that commission, and you can see how we reinvest it. So we don't just say we reinvest it. You know, it doesn't cost nothing to go and do all these things. And again, it's not just in Dublin. Because we have restaurants all over Ireland, we're doing a national campaign. We sponsor lots of different things during the year, which don't come cheap. So we've an associated sponsorship with Electric Picnic. We do Taste of Dublin. We have lots of all those festivals during the summer, which traditionally the takeaway sector wouldn't have been associated with. So C Sessions is coming up. We launched the Eaties last year, which was the first online takeaway awards. So we actually now recognise quality within the takeaway. Nobody ever did that before because people saw it as takeaway. Whereas we've kind of improved that standard. You know, we're spending our money, and that's where their commission, that's why it's more. So, you know, we can drive orders to you, but we can only do it if people know who we are. So we have to spend the money somewhere. Yes, we're a business. There is, you know, we've grown 58% year on year. If we weren't doing something right, we wouldn't have grown that much. But we are a business, so obviously we're going to be charging something to do this. But we feel to reinvest the amount that we need to get the name out there, to get the orders to the restaurants, we have to charge that commission. And it's a blanket commission. Nobody gets, you know, favours or special treatment. It's a one-off commission, and that's how we do it globally. That's our strategy. That if you want to be with us, this is the commission, but we will get you orders.